Fire!
Welcome to week 4 of my 100,000 FTMO verification. In this video, I'll share my weekly plan and results. No BS, let's go. Gold is trending up on both the daily and H4. Bullish momentum still looks strong with shallow pullbacks, so I'll look for buy setups. On H4, price is making a deeper retracement. I'll look for a break and retest buy at the previous H4 high, or a continuation buy after a lower timeframe break of structure. GU is trending down on the daily, but the trend is weak since retracements were deep. On H4, price is trading inside a channel. I'll need a range break to decide my bias and ignore anything happening inside the range. GJ is trending up on the daily but down on H4. Price pulled back to retest the break and the rejection looked solid. On H4, the recent bearish move was strong, so it might not be the best time to buy. I'll wait for price to break above the range and invalidate the H4 downtrend before looking for buys. Same with GJ. UJ is trending up on the daily but down on H4. Price pulled back to retest the break and the rejection looked strong. On H4, I'll buy if price breaks the trend line, retests a lower time frame zone, and rejects to the upside. Profit room looks pretty good here. Gold formed a double top, broke the H4 uptrend, and finally started reversing. I took a break and continuation buy here, which gave me a 2.5 R profit. Price had already shown an M15 trend shift at market open, but I needed more clues to confirm momentum was shifting from sell to buy. Price tightened into a range and I entered on the break with my stop below the M15 higher low. Execution, 5 out of 5. GU couldn't break the range, so no trades for GU this week. GJ broke the H4 downtrend but couldn't make a clean, strong break at resistance. The second break looked slightly better, but the rejection on the retest was weak, so no trades. UJ rallied to the previous daily high and I took my second trade, which passed me phase 2. It was a break and continuation setup. Price broke the trend line, retested both the trend line and an H1 area. I entered on the rejection candle with a 3.5 R profit target. The last few hours were painful, but I controlled the urge to exit early and held until TP was hit. Execution, 5 out of 5. Phase 2 ended faster than expected. I performed much better than in phase 1 for 2 reasons. The verification stage has a lower profit target, so I was confident I could pass. And after the ups and downs in phase 1, I was mentally stronger and focused on execution. Quick summary, it took me 4 weeks, basically all of October. I made a mistake in week 1 but quickly adjusted and executed well afterward. My win rate was over 40% with an average profit of 3R, close to my backtest numbers. It gives about 6R expectancy every 10 trades. I'll make a full technical breakdown video for my verification stage later, covering my strategy and every trade in detail. I truly hope this FTMO documentary series and future videos can help traders take on prop challenges. Now, it's time to lock in for live funded trading. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and see you next time.